Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Cape Coral. This is 2514 Retunda Parkway West. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on a freshwater canal, but you are at the intersecting portion of the canal, so you got a nice huge water view in the back. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. So as we come into the entry space here, to the right is going to be your kitchen, great room, and master area. But on our left here is where we have the guest bedroom. So you've got guest bedroom 1 here with your traditional bifold style closet. Then we've got your guest bath here with your combination tub and shower. And then we've got the 3rd bedroom right back here. Now walking back into the main portion of the home here, you've got a nice dedicated dining spot right here towards the front, and this overlooks the great room area. Now notice there is tile throughout this home, which is a really beautiful feature, and you've got a 16-foot sliding glass door back here overlooking your lake views. But let's look at the rest of the home here. You've got your dining area right off the kitchen. Nice granite countertops and wood cabinets. You've got a stainless steel kitchen with the appliances. You got the granite backsplash here as well. Then right through there, that's your 2-car garage. And to our left, you do have an indoor laundry space. And right off of here is the master bedroom. So nice little master bedroom here. And then in the master bath, you have the singular sink. You have access out to your lanai space. You've got the tub and shower combination along with your bifold style closet doors here. Now last but not least, we're gonna run out and take a look at the exterior space. Again, beautiful, beautiful view from back here. And you can see it as I'm walking up, how massive this view is. So you've got an extended lanai here. So huge lanai extending across the entire back of the home. And then your viewpoint, you're going to have some amazing sunset views from right on your back lanai. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.